So today I'm going to show you a really easy occasion bun. You haven't got to curl the hair, really quick and easy. You can get this done in 5 minutes. So I've just used a little bit of wax spray just to help smooth down the hair. And then we're going to do the same around the back. You're just smoothing all this hair in. And I'm going to gradually just bring it over to the left hand side. So I'm just going to tie this ponytail here. And then just going to take a topsy tail like this. Now you can just put your fingers through here if you haven't got one of these. I'm going to pull the little tail through and then gently just pull this back through. If you want to, you can do a little bit of teasing out just around this area, or you could just leave it as it is. And then I'm going to break this hair into two, and we're going to do a twist braid. You could do a 3-strand braid if you prefer. I'm just going to take this around gently. Just start to lift up these sections a little bit. I don't want too much volume. So I'm just going to start to pin this style to the head. So we've got the nice smooth bun on this side, coming round to the back, and you've just got that nice bit of detail in the twist braid, and just sweeping around on this side. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.